over here. Over here. Leave the camera alone. Just leave it alone. Let's play. Where's your milk gone? What? Are you playing with your new birthday toys? Yeah! Well, one of them anyway. That's definitely not one, that's a water bottle. That's one though, isn't it? Yeah! Right then, should we go get some water for the fish? Hey? We're here now. Let's go do that. Morning, how the devil are you? Well, excellent. Me too, thank you very much for asking. Daddy daycare day, it's been a good one so far. He has been good as gold, slept loads, teething is still an issue, but yes, he has been as good as gold, and now we are out for lunch and to do some errands. So let's get cracking. Are you enjoying my lunch? Are you enjoying my lunch? Not your lunch, my lunch. Right then, Daddy Daycare is going well. Max is, well, doing his thing with his Mega Blocks. And he's just had a massive nap as well, which meant I've been able to do a load of work myself. Just currently uploading some of it, in fact, to Dropbox for some clients, and also uploading some video content for myself as well. Because one thing I've promised myself that I will do is I have like 181 episodes on my podcast so far. If you've not subscribed yet, go and check it out in the link below. However, I am also uploading it as video content on the fastest growing podcast channel in the world, YouTube. So although I don't have a specific visual to go with it, I've made a visual and I have a waveform generator which works alongside the waveform of my voice. Thank you very much for banging in the background there. And yeah, so I make a video of each and every single one of my podcasts now, and I'm trying to go back over time and update all of my podcasts that I've done in the past and make them into a video format, so that actually I have videos that I can upload onto the fastest growing podcast channel in the world. Like I say, YouTube, this particular channel right here. But anyway, if you're not already subscribed to my audio version of the podcast, you can do on iTunes, Spreaker, Spotify, SoundCloud, loads of different channels. Go and check it out. Anyway, right, I'm going to go and stop this wee man changing channels on the TV and climbing on the coffee table. Yeah, you can blow raspberries all you want. Nobody thinks you're cute. Well, maybe just a bit. So then, it has been a crazy busy evening. I managed to get a load of work done actually, which is good, including some podcast work of my own, and also a lot of editing. The main reason for that, Susanna came home and she was absolutely whacked. So we got Max down to bed after having some food, and she's already hit the sack. I'm going to stay up, I'm going to do a Q&A session on LinkedIn, so hopefully you'll come and join me on that. If you did, thank you, because obviously this is after that. And then at 10 o'clock, Spencer Vogue and Wedding Too, some banal, utter bollocks TV, and we'll sit down and watch that, and then I will go to bed. So I will see you guys tomorrow. Thank you very much for watching. I can't believe I just admitted I will watch that. But anyway, sleep tight, don't let the bedbugs bite. Sweet dreams, and shh, be healthy. They're asleep. See you tomorrow. Bye. Oh my god. Quick addendum, because I'm watching this TV show right now, Spencer Vogue and Wedding Too, and they're doing a thing about podcasts, and it just goes against everything that I say. Spencer just said everything I do say, which is stick a mic in a room, start talking, and give some value. But they're going to these people who probably are charging them thousands and thousands and thousands of pounds to come up with ideas for their podcast and set it all up, and just utter bollocks. If you're going to create a podcast, you just need this thing here that's on charge, so I couldn't pull it any closer, and your voice and the value that you've got to give. As long as you know your subject, you're gonna win. Trust me. You don't need people to set you up with tens of thousands of pounds worth of podcast gear. If you do, I'm more than happy to do that, but you don't need it. Not at the start. When you first start out doing your first podcast, you don't need tens of thousands of pounds worth of gear. You need something that's got a microphone built into it that will record your audio, a bit like the phone that I just showed you, and your voice and the value you've got to give. So crack on. Anyway, enough said. Back to watching the banal shite. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.